English Speaking Practice. Topic at the Airport. Part 1, Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English speaking practice. Today's topic is at the airport. This topic is very useful for travel conversations. Speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin. Part 2, Reaching the Airport. Last month, I traveled by airplane for the first time. I reached the airport 2 hours early. The airport was very large and busy. Many people were carrying luggage and waiting for flights. Some passengers were checking their tickets. Others were sitting and using their phones. I felt excited and a little nervous. Part 3, Checking in. First, I went to the check-in counter. The airline staff greeted me politely. I showed my ticket and identity card. Then I handed over my luggage. The staff gave me a boarding pass. After that, I went for the security check. Part 4, Conversation at the Airport. Passenger, excuse me, where is gate number 5? Airport staff, go straight and turn left. Passenger, thank you, is the flight on time? Airport staff, yes, the flight is on schedule. Passenger, great, thank you for your help. Airport staff, you're welcome, have a safe journey. Part 5, Inside the Airplane. Finally, I entered the airplane. I found my seat near the window. The cabin crew welcomed all passengers warmly. Soon, the airplane started moving. After some time, it took off into the sky. The view from the window was beautiful. Clouds looked soft and white. I enjoyed the journey very much. Part 6, Confidence Practice. I practice English every day. I am becoming more confident. I speak without fear. I learn from my mistakes. Daily practice improves my fluency. I believe in myself. I will speak fluent English one day. Part 7, Closing. Thank you for practicing today. Repeat these sentences for better pronunciation. Practice speaking English every day. Keep learning and stay confident. See you in the next English speaking practice session.